To connect an external hard disk or an external hard drive to your Samsung Galaxy A37 is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply go ahead and insert it directly into your phone. Now, depending on the type of hard drive you have, if it's one of the newer models, you should see a Type C end so that you can plug it into the charging port. However, if you're using one of the older models like this, you will need an adapter. And then once you've grabbed your adapter, all you need to do is simply insert the hard drive into the adapter and then the adapter into your phone. Once you've successfully inserted it, you then want to swipe down for notifications and wait for USB storage successfully detected appearing in the list of notifications. So you can see here USB storage added has been found. So now that means that your hard disk has been successfully detected by your A37. So you can go ahead and open up the Files app, navigate to external storage, and you should be able to see your external hard drive here ready for you to transfer files or even just find items from. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.